So today I'd like to share with you how to naturally rid your garden of earwigs. Now, earwigs or pincher bugs, they have pinchers on their rear ends that can grab your finger and not let go. And they're going to eat your lettuce, your corn silks, flowers, and more in the garden. So here are my 4 favorite ways to control earwigs. And if you're not sure if earwigs are damaging your garden, just go out at night with a flashlight and check the garden. They like to eat your plants at night. Number 1 is earwig traps. So earwigs like dark, tight places to hide in during the day. So lay some corrugated cardboard out in the garden when you've had earwig damage. And the earwigs will climb into the cardboard and hide during the day, then collect up the cardboard and dispose of it. Number 2 is diatomaceous earth. So diatomaceous earth is ground up fossilized seashells. And diatomaceous earth can work its way into the joints of the earwig and cause them to dehydrate and die. Alright, number 3 is garlic oil spray. You can use this for control over aphids, cabbage loopers, earwigs, June bugs, leafhopper, squash bugs, and whitefly. So you want to mince a bulb of garlic and soak it in 2 teaspoons of mineral oil for 24 hours. And next, mix 1 pint of water with 1 tablespoon of liquid soap, and then add the garlic mix to the water in the soap. And then you're going to mix this thoroughly, and then you're going to strain out the garlic chunks and place the liquid into a jar for storage. So you want to use 1 to 2 tablespoons of the garlic oil mix to 2 cups of water, and you want to spray this on your plants, covering all the leaf surfaces. Now, before we get to number 4, if you'd like to learn the other ways to control garden pests naturally, you can get our Homemade Organic Pest Control ebook that you can get for free when you sponsor the High Performance Garden Show. We give this away along with the Gardener's Guide to Perfect Soil and the Preserving Fruits and Vegetables Guide. And that's for anyone who sponsors the show at the $8.25 level. So this is a super bargain, so go to the website, thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show. Just scroll down the page to find the sponsor section. Number 4 is Sluggo Plus. This is an organic listed product that has iron phosphate and spinosad as the active ingredients. And it is effective on earwigs, and it comes in pellet form and is sprinkled on the garden. So with just a few household ingredients and some diligence, you can keep your garden free from earwigs.